So we've been able to host both the front end and back end of our application, which are working fine. But our React front end has a problem when we refresh.
I'm dying. Help me.
So this problem occurs because we are using React router to move between the pages of our application. This mechanism is called client-side routing, and it is not supported by every server, which GitHub is included. A few workarounds exist, and we will use the redirect approach here. Thus, if a request is made in our application and the GitHub servers do not understand it, we want to return to our home page. So in the browser, let's visit SPA GitHub pages. We open the first link. Now we open the 404 file and copy the content. Now let's go back to our code editor and create a 404 file. So inside the public directory, we create a 404 file. Remember, in the public directory, not the source directory. Inside this file, we paste the content that we copied. Now we can get rid of the comments if we want. Also, we can get our title from the index.html file. Now back in the browser, we visit the index.html file of the project. Over here, we copy the script tag. Now we go back to the code editor, visit our index.html and paste the code. So I'll paste it right above the title tag. Now because we are not using a custom domain, but we are using the domain provided by GitHub, we need to make a change in the 404 file. So over here, we change the path segments to keep to 1. Now this will ensure that the redirect will be able to pick our repository properly. We can see that the name of our repository comes after the /. So changing the path segments to 1 will make sure that it is able to pick the repository name. Now inside the app.js, we need to make a change as well. Over here, we assign a base name property to the router, and we will set this to the name of our repository. Now at this point, we commit and push our changes to GitHub. First, we push to the master branch in our repository. After that is done, we deploy our application once again. So we use npm run deploy. Now let's visit our link and try refreshing. Now we try refreshing the page. And now we see that we don't get the error anymore. So you might have to wait for anywhere between 5 to 20 minutes after deploying for this to work. So while you are waiting, you can keep on refreshing till you get the error no more.